Today we are going to make a paper airplane out of this rectangular white paper. So let me start to begin. You're going to take the paper and fold it like this. So it would be shaped like this, except we're going to push down. Make sure you really push into it so it can make a line when we open it up. After you do that, it should look like this. Then you can do this to make it even smaller, like this. Okay, so now it should look like this. And then you're going to open it up, and it should have 4 equally close rectangular designs. Now, you can put it down and just like smoothen it out, so it would stay a little more like a normal piece of paper with lines. Now you're going to pick an edge of it. It doesn't really matter because they look the same. And you're going to go from here in. So I'm going to push in like this one. I'm going to do this. So see, you just like push in, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. Remember, if this is tricky, you can get a grown-up, or you can pause the video and replay. So now we're right here. This is going to be like the top of the airplane. And then you're going to take this corner and fold it in so it'd be like this. So you're going to push in. And then the same to the other side. So now it should look like this. When you have that, we are going to move on. So you're going to take it right here and you're going to push in like this. So it looks like this. Make sure you smooth it out. This part is kind of tricky. Smooth in. Okay. So now it should look like this. And then you're going to take, so if it looks like this, you're going to take this part and like bend it, kind of. So then it would look like this. This is one of the parts. You can do the same to the other side. Okay. I'm going to push in like this. And then I do the same to the other side. So now you take the bottom like this. You just made a paper airplane. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down what you want to do. Bye!